Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to withdraw digital dollars from Worldcoin. This guide will walk you through the complete process from installation to final withdrawal. First, download and install the Worldcoin app from the Play Store. This is the essential first step to access your digital dollar account. Next, open the app and create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the digital dollar card, which is where you'll manage and withdraw your funds. If your balance is zero, you'll notice that the Withdraw button isn't clickable. That's because you need to have funds available before you can start a withdrawal. After your account has a balance, tap the Withdraw button. You'll then get two options: withdraw to a crypto exchange or to a crypto wallet. Choose the one that best fits your needs. Some of the most popular crypto exchange platforms include Binance, BitTop, and Coinbase. You can withdraw to any of these trusted options. Finally, paste your wallet address into the provided field, double-check that it's correct, and confirm the withdrawal. And that's it! Your digital dollars will be successfully transferred from your Worldcoin account to your chosen wallet or exchange. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.